In this video, we're going to take a look at how to create our own HTML widgets for our iBooks author projects that will stream content into our iBooks. So, for example, here's a Padlet wall that's being streamed into my iBook pages, and this is embedded in that book as an HTML widget. Another example would be simply a Google form. We can take the embed code or the iframe from a Google form and embed it into the pages of our iBooks file. And another example would be a YouTube video. So here's a YouTube video. And these are all coming into our iBook as HTML widgets. So they are requiring an internet connection. They're being streamed in, but we're going to show you how to create your very own. In order to do that, you're going to need to download the blank widget template, and that can be downloaded from goo.gl, lowercase q, /lowercase q, capital W, H, capital F, capital C. When you go ahead and go to that site, you're going to look for the download as a zip file. So you're going to download as a .zip. It's going to come into your downloads. Take that downloads folder. It's going to be called the blank iframe 2. Just go ahead and drag that onto your desktop. So now that I have that on my desktop, you'll see that here. If I double click on that, open up that folder, you'll see the 3 files that create a widget. The main file that we're going to be looking at is the main HTML file, and we're going to edit that by adding in the embed code. So go ahead and control click or right click, and you're going to choose to open that file with a text editor such as Text Wrangler. I chose Sublime Text. You can download that for free on the internet. So this is an main HTML file, and you can see down here it says delete this comment and enter your iframe or embed code on this line. So I'm going to go back here to Safari. Let's head over to our Google form. Here's my Google form that I've created. It's a big long one here. When I click on send form, you'll notice that I can grab the embed code by selecting embed, and I'm just going to change my height to be 760. When I click in there, I'm going to hit Command C to copy that. And now I'm going to head back to my Sublime Text application in which I was editing this main HTML file. I'm going to select that entire line where it says delete this, and I'm going to hit Command V to paste in my Google Forms. So when I hit the red X to close it out, I'm going to choose to save that. Now over here on my desktop, I'm going to manually change the name of this. I'm going to change it to Google Form and then .wdgt. So the .wdgt is the extension needed for iBooks Author to read this as an HTML widget. Now it's going to ask, are you sure you want to add that extension? Just go ahead and select add. So here's our widget now, and we're ready to add that into our iBooks Author project file. So I'm just going to come up here to File and select New from a template chooser. We'll just select a different one this time. And I'm going to go to a page here. And if I go back to my Finder and grab that widget off my desktop, I'm just going to drag that onto the pages of my iBooks Author project. So there you have it. If I click on Edit HTML, you'll see there's my Google form, and it scrolls. All right.